Hello everybody, I'm GHG and welcome back to this tutorial series. And in today's episode we are going to make a Shulker Box preview plugin. And as you can see, I've already created a new plugin and I've registered the events to the main class. And as we already know, we are going to make an event handler, and it's going to be of public void on player click Shulker Box. And it's going to be an inventory click event, of course. Like that. Import it correctly, yes. And what we want to do is we want to check if the click e.get click, so the click type dot equals click type dot left, because I only want to open the Shulker Box when it's left clicked. And then we also want to check if e.get current item does not equal null, just the basic stuff. And we also want to check if e.get current item dot has item meta, so that we know for sure that it is that it has item meta and it will not give any null pointer exceptions. Okay, then we can get the item stack, of course. Item stack box equals e.get current item, because what we are trying to do is we are trying to open up the Shulker Box inventory, but only a preview of it, because getting and setting is something different. So we are only going to do a preview of it to make sure that it doesn't really mess up the whole data inside of the Shulker Box. But then you can quickly get an overview of what's inside the Shulker Box, and then you can place it down if it's the correct one. So item stack box equals e.get current item. And then what we want to check is if box.get item meta, because there's multiple item meta types, because it can be instance of block state meta, and that's the case with a Shulker Box. So what we are going to do, block state meta, import that. We are going to store that block state meta, and then I'm going to do block meta, and it's going to be equal to cast it to block state meta of the box, so of the Shulker Box item. And then what we want to do is we now have the block state meta, so we are going to check if block meta dot get block state, so that will return a state of the block meta, of course, is instance of a Shulker Box, because we want to check for Shulker Boxes. And if that's the case, now we have then we are dealing with a Shulker Box. So we can do Shulker Box Shulker equals Shulker Box block meta dot get block state. And that will actually, now we have the Shulker Box, but we want to get the contents of the Shulker Box and put it in a new inventory. So what we are going to do is we are going to create an inventory called inv, which equals bucket.create inventory, and it's going to be a owner null, of course, size 27, and it's going to, not 27k, that's a huge inventory, and it's going to be called Shulker Box preview. And then of course we need to set its contents to Shulker .get inventory .get contents. And that will make sure that we got the contents, and the last thing to do is e.get who clicked .open inventory. And now, because it's only a preview, so this will get you the Shulker Box inventory, but only a preview, so it will create a new inventory with the contents of the Shulker Box, and it will add them to the inventory. And because it's a preview, we do not want to grant the ability to mess with the inventory. So above over here, we're going to do if e.get inventory .get title equals Shulker Box preview, and we want to, of course, e.set cancel to true, because we do not want the player to mess around with the preview. You could call this a backpack, but not really, because Shulker Boxes are already backpacks, essentially. Let's check this out on the server. See you over there. So we're inside Minecraft now, start up the server, and let's go take a look at what we have created. As you can see, I've prepared a black Shulker Box with raw mutton ×3. And when I now left click it, it will open up a Shulker Box preview. Cannot do anything with it, cannot even put anything in it. And if I just place down the Shulker Box, it will work just fine, and then I can pick it up but I'm in survival mode, so I can't do it right now. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you got any feedback or suggestions, down below in the comment section. Or you can go to the description box where you'll find a link to the renewed Discord. It's completely changed. It's way better now. I'm also going to add some cool things to it. So be sure to check that out. See you over there. See you in the next episode as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.